Hi. We have a question from AP Physics 2026. Two cars, A and B, start at the same time on a straight road. Car A accelerates uniformly. So I would say this is a constant acceleration. From rest, initial speed, which is V node equals 0, and acceleration, which is 4, while car B starts from rest, initial speed, which is 0, and accelerates uniformly, so acceleration is 2 meters second square. The examiner is asking how long does it take for car A to be 200 meters ahead of car B. I'm trying to find one of the equation of motion linking displacement and time taken. I would say the formula, which is x equals x node plus v node t plus half a t squared. For xa, it starts initially is going to be 0 plus initial speed, which is 0 as well, plus half times the acceleration. The acceleration is 4 times t squared. So xa, which is half times 4, which is 2t squared. I can do the same thing for b as well. Xb initially 0 and speed, which is 0 as well, plus half times. The acceleration was 2 times t squared, xb, which is t squared. Now I know the values of xa and xb in terms of time, and the time is unknown. There's one thing here. I have to draw a scenario for that one. I would say this is simply, which is car A, and which is at the distance 2t squared, and there is a car B behind, which is at distance t squared, and the examiner said the distance between them, which is 200 meters. To get the time taken, I would say the distance between xa minus xb, which is 200 meters. Xa was 2t squared minus the distance xb, which is t squared, equals 200. And then 2t squared minus t squared, which is t squared, equals 200 meters. And then finally, t equals the square root of 200, which is 14 seconds. The correct answer, which is D. If you like the video, share and like and subscribe to our channel, and see you next video.